My name is Jill Keynes. I'm a nurse practitioner and owner at Face Forward Medical Aesthetics in Lexington, Massachusetts. Radiofrequency microneedling works by delivering a combination of thermal and mechanical injury to the skin. Anytime we create injury to the skin, this helps with collagen stimulation and results in skin tightening. Oftentimes during the consultation process, patients are concerned about laxity or textural changes of the skin. Radiofrequency microneedling is a great procedure to address these concerns. During the consultation process, we'll make sure there are no contraindications to ensure that you're the proper candidate for this procedure. Radiofrequency microneedling varies in duration depending on how many areas are being treated. On average, one area takes approximately an hour and a half to treat. Radiofrequency microneedling will vary patient to patient depending on the intensity of the treatment. Most patients will experience some mild redness or slight irritation for 2 to 3 hours following the procedure. However, we always advise that patients plan this procedure 48 to 72 hours prior to any major event. Radiofrequency microneedling has been one of the best procedures we've decided to offer here at Face Forward. Our patients have been over the moon with their results, and they are getting many compliments from friends and family members. For anyone who is considering radiofrequency microneedling, I'd recommend that you come in for a complimentary consultation so we can review your concerns and decide whether or not radiofrequency is the right option for you.